It was a comedian as well. Honorable Sam George, and I'm on for that and a laughing stick. Chase almost serene pa. Almost serene, which I say, you know, cause you Sheldon, Edwin Kunim over Sam George because it will be true challenge Emma Sam George with me, yeah. Or bet differ from MPP to NDC. A bit just cause Sheldon arena. Now we have a media no so no. Sam George Kromo for Omu Hiano, Omo den same be Abatuja. Ah, yes, a very serious. And this will be doing common watch the wide amame. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah broke media. That's why I say need him. Over like if video no other put a subscribe button, somebody click notification corner features up the somebody to the wide and amame. Ewo comment section so baswa. Not your first any aviation. So my main fan free Sam George Kromo for is Omo Tunsa at the friend. Sam George, Honorable Sam George, a member of Parliament for Ningo Pram constituency. Kra Honum Ningo Pram constituency. A Honum Anna Sam George. A member of Parliament. I only make sure say empuntu ebe koso ewo ne mpesuaso. Obia ho be tono timemufo no mo honum de. Obia ho be henha no. I say bibia ebe ye fine. But abusia enno mo ho no be send video and say Penyah esere wa kabi ma ye na yewu. Na that the boss say oh ye free. Ningo proper constituency ekure ya tu dini ochebleku e ho na ye wo. Now, Chebrekun areas under the Ningo Pram constituency areas within the constituency. Now, we about Hanumwa.
Oh my God. This is what they drink. Legend, have a vivid shot of this and see if this water is healthy enough or potable enough for human beings to drink. Inti Musa mutriti and someone.
Sontama say a besa. Near a fin Ujaria, Ubahu say Unkika. A drew Tambia, sometime I yet immediately seen a jasso.
Okay.
Kakrana, I hot Kakrana in one more.
Okay.
And I a tall way
Alomana.
Na ye dia gum.
Okay.
Na ye Jaria, no ben who say I okay. Now so you woman who say Yariwa be a gugu ye hu. Any ye man in Kwalamu Mutrimu, I fita. Na ye huni nyina aye rasis bi enti nsuo no de oma ye yare pa oma yare bi su wo nsuo no mu a unum a etini ye unan kro
o mame so
na kro sa kro no ye frɛ no e wo ye kasa me ye frɛ no dipa ni wunu ye din enti etini ma unan no e be ye kase sa ahan we no ye famu ache na senya mi ba no aka no sometime ubehu say nsuo ti say a pebresa no nsuo betimi asa can't me mba say kwan no so asai ubefre ka so oma wo nsuo kura antimi mba uhwa na wa besasa na wadware
sa
na echi no wadani yare bebre ma
nantwie no time be na ya omo benom
omutimi sori anopa omukọ ewire mu a ombetimi anum satam no nso na ise nkwala no mu ombe sano mu dware inten ko school no ombeba no na nantwe no mu asai no ombeba no na nantwe no mu asai no akwada no mu bekọ akosa no mu di akosi ho ebe ombe twen kakra na sa afi no akwase a afi na ombe dware no mu aye late akọ school San George nso abai sa na ye ka de bia ye ka se ye de ye druswa ye do NDC ye vote manu 100% MPP beba ha be ye nyama ye vote ma MPP da o chebreku ha efri ha ekoma ngochonya mobole NDC kwa ye vote ma omu wi a de hia makromufu a eso mu nye no omu nye
Ensu a Penyah yenum ensu ni nie. Ye nyansu okura anom. Ensu we ne yesanom edi dware edi bibia de no aduan eye bibia di. But Honorable Sam George ya ho edi Penyah mesro kabi mame. And it was only this particular video eba ya na omo kan omo ensem. I said the people of Ochebleku in Ningo Pram constituency Sam George mpeso aso e to nza for us omo sire wa da ni die. Omo so to aba ne bi omo to ma omu nyina to aba ne bi ma wo ba bia beduru nie omu nyansu kura anom e wo mu konse omu mpeso aso omu nyansu kura anom ama abaye arahosem na bu se omu nyansu no mo fra Sam George no Sam George so adane cyber security activist the Juma's communication minister now no ade here Sam George cyber crime nice threat to the security aspect of this country cyber crime threat but that is not the basis of your ministry. That is not the basis. Omo here Sam George no. Sam George also ne Russian guy no contour kwa. Just like time when Ghana for any abre. Here Sam George so ometi data band boss ma ye na oma Ghana network enye kama that time no only DSTV contour kwa at the end of the day and kwa no fast so bia maso. It was just a complete waste of time. Sebi ana AC. Obeka na nsemu ana Russian guy na issue no. Ebeye deja on the internet ni so. E say waba abefefe Ghana former ya no eko amo video mo or the Meta AI glasses ana eye no dwuma dia say or the a video a man is what pussy edigi huska on the internet. E me buy you know. Sam George ebeka say mine no. Ghana is on process to extradite him from Russia to come and face the laws of this country. E wo hanamo. Na e buy you no na mo focus na Sam George me kura because na Sam George oni mu say sebe Russia your man they don't find they have bilateral agreement with nations, but when it comes to extradition they don't have extradition agreement with any country. Say Russian abedi bone woman mu we dwane abane the country Russia was okay we are going to extradite him. No, ain't possible. Russia, the constitution of Russia, it doesn't allow that. It doesn't allow that. But Sam George came to tell Ghanaians, say, he's on process to extradite that guy now. Russian guy now, bad guy, he's on process to extradite him to this country to face the laws of this country, to face, trial in this country. When I say, Obedem, Ghana, I buy in the media now. Cause you share the crowd throw challenge Sam George to me, Emye kofa that Russian guy if Russia ever Ghana hanma or no cause you Sheldon obe defa from MPP to NDC obe join NDC with a big platform. But I will say Kwansima anyone say no Sam George be a press conference. Now the press conference no kire say omone the Russian ambassador out finance Sheldon come say Ghana Foreign Affairs Ministry any Russian ambassador na Edin komo. Na Russian ambassador person kire mu say guy no onye Russian ni. Now they can't confirm his identity in Russia. Now BM to kwan edina guy no ye Vladislav se Vladi Hwan say edina kran. Enye Russian name na eye vulgar name in Russia. Eye di aje say eye di hunu aje din kwan no obi am pese de beto na e Russia hono. But ye kom na say ensem na ambassador na kan obwa. Ensem a Russian ambassador in Ghana han all kan e obwa otwatro. And I don't come near ambassador no. Mami kasim tro. The identity of the guy is being unraveled. I mean, Russian ni the passport Ghana doesn't be there that's or Russian ni. But the time say me bo ambassador na baso say or can send be natural African penny for chere say o citizen e ko di boni wo bi man so na se wotimi dwane ba fie na ya soma police so free on mine so e ba be china kwa don't betray your citizen just like that. And betray enyini masa yenye ne sa. Yenye ne sa. Akwes oba tan oba epie ekwedi nsem hunu na oba fie. Na what is say oba adwana be share dem. Na oba be share dem won say amanfo kasa bebrebe eba. Hey akra no wayi ni bra. Owufo bie na oba yi ne ba akwa say yenko no. No. Oba kasa mba no ni ho. Oma hanomo untimi so megbowura na empian do emu random. We don't do that. You can't do that. Obeka say mbadu kwa oma obi na oni fie then enti obema kono okwa later watia ne ba no ewo dem wotunefu no asa atia no dem sabi ana Russian ambassador person ka kire Ghana for edima mo se bi mu ka say ana Russian ambassador wo twa antro he is protecting his national sa ne ye he is not covering crime, uncover crime, but he's telling African leaders something. Protecting no, our man from na efie watia no na watwe na so sa na ye no. Oba no ho ban say bia because obi ba be china free o man mu de na kwa okono wo kwa na wo yende. No, ezano you protect him. You protect him. Who afi emu kamu a when the situation is calm, then now what train so e will feel atia na say ade aye enye biem. But Ghana there, ye ka se Ghana ni bi akoye bibi hey every ahia no ye de be kote si ye beyi na ma se si ya nkasa na bedi anim akwakoche na ba ya nkasa na bedi anim akwakoche ni ba ko da ko ma wo so mu fa ne ko ya nkasa ya nkasa na bedi anim abo kentem adi akiri akwache no de na ko ma wo so mu fa ne ko. The ambassador is telling us something. He's obi an support crime, obi an support money, but he's telling us something. Any okon ho ne chire dey normal. Or Ghana here na mo chire dey different. But what team akwadru ni krom ne dey, they will not allow you to extradite him. What I say? They will not. Now say no. Ana comedian so akoye share them mo. Any TikTokers abe clash with Sam George. Na we need some o mo ka chire no.
Abusia me e free na dey koyi. Se Ghana ni bi eye broni bi bibi na abrofo no hunu se eye ade bone nti on pese o mo befa Ghana ni free o man we mu ere ne ko o mo man mu a me sorry against it. Yes ene e ba se mo pe extradition of sa Russia ni na one ye man be ye sa no no o ta so mo kan ye o mo ka kire mo pempe ne west ni pepe se omun ja omo de hye ne mamo ne e kira so ka ho na mo de etomamu ha ho mo ma Ghana ni bi yanti se e na Ghana bi dey say na abrofo ni sa omo iPhone FB ni de na mo nka che se mo de Ghana ni na kese broni na Ghana na ye broni se ya nka Ghana ha ki empeni fodi kuru etam ne ko je na e pe heaven akọ osoro himan ni ye de bebe ko bu aten no ye wa say ye be hwe se bibi se be si biom ni atam ye nipa se ye ne koma bro from nko bu na tan a ye be hwe o man wa say ye njimi ye hu biom o dabi ye hu jimi biom o dabi we will protect our own no matter what.
So on Russian government Russian ambassador they said the constitution Emma ho kwan say Ghana ebe extraditing the citizen then abaha untimi mfa nkwachi Russia ni mba Ghana ha be jeli na anambe question no emra ma ho kwan sa by Ghana ha emra timi mu obi ho kwan no ofri ni country aba be chi Ghana ni no de ne call. But wait, honorable minister case ni see from obeka say Ghana government ebe make sure say sa Russia guy no kwan bia so mo de ne be ba be question no e si de na ene de obeka kire say Russia constitution Emma ho kwan adena munnim say Russia constitution Emma ho kwan say mo betima kwachi Russian citizen na ba na asese mun kire mu yo I say move say na say Russia on muntimi kwachi no unless say wako different country ansa na matimi azamo obitimi free the country na Ghana na edibone na obechi na ha na ode ne call on say mra ma ho kwan say ye be kwa kwachi obi citizen ede na ba ha ba be jeli no powerful country no Mwa case ni see honorable minister mwa mo be ka say mo be make sure say mo be sa Ghana Russian Ghana mo de ne beba ene de mo say ka je say Russian ambassador say the constitution e ma ho kwan ade na munnim ana say dey
I only hope and pray say Ghana will learn a lesson from this issue na abano. O man bia e wo tumi say ne man for obebo mo ho ban a free other countries so say o man foforo pese odi o man Ghana so ana ne man for so e wo mra bi mu a o man Ghana e wo tumi say obo ne man for ho ban se o man bi ka so ohia o man Ghana nipa e wo ni krom ana ne man mu na one na kodimra ana se o akwakotwe na so a o man Ghana as a sovereign country no e wo right say obetumi aka say mente ase me release me nipa e maw the same thing ena now Russia ede adwen ato Ghana mpanyifo trimu no wa kire Ghana mpanyifo say yes mo se ye nipa na ba bedi bone e wo mu krom sa na mo kire o nanso ya man mra na kire se ye mbo ye manfo ho ban enti se mu hia ye nipa no e de na ba mu krom aba ba twe na so ama asene mo pese mo ye ni bia no mo pese mo ye a ye man ye constitution e kire se eni hu kwan se ye release ye nipa e de no mamo mpempi no obehwe na Ghana o man foforo aba aba befa ye nipa afiri ye man no de na akọ omo man mu akọtwe na so ye de no kogina mranim odifo a yetimi de no hye jail e wo honom. This is a lesson to Ghana. Say it is high time. Even and so omo chichi omo kra do omo ba Ghana from America no. Ebi mu aka se omo mpese omo ko omo man mu. Ohe African countries bi mu a omo citizens eka se omo nko omo man mu a yentimi mfa omo nko. Nanso Ghana ekoje eno tumu se yemfa omo mra Ghana na Ghana mfa omo nko, which was wrong. Sana oman bi ti se Colombia mu. America for chichi omo man for so omo de omo ko no. Omo kodru Colombia government say onimo omo eno santine o so omo san de omo ba back. This is a lesson Ghana must learn. And we must learn said the beya yenso ye be boy man for ho ban. So o man need to kwan no kodru ba bi no ka say ye born de na ba fie a embes betimi aka say ye nim no because nipa no state say ono mpeso oba ye man no yenso ye nim no na ya bo nipa no ho ban. Sa nso na so oman bi peso o kire say ye man no nipa bi adi bone na o mo peso o be twe no ede ne ko omo man mu ko twe na so a ye man no e wo se mpanyifo etimi protect ye. This is what we call a nation. Russia actually ye man Ghana say we can learn and do better.
It clear that their constitution supersedes any extradition treaty, so Russia will not extradite its citizens. She rado. Yeah, I'm this. You see, almost all tenef now can kind of say you are enlightened. Politicians be anti now. The day of they give out Michael talk stay and we are talking to extradite. You just want to hip up some interest for the story. Engusiaga. Or no, interview no. Who said you go inside, go do the back and forth. You see, say fast. So this is Engusiaga. No, bro, you want to extradite a citizen of Russia? It is not. It doesn't happen. And for those who have some hopes that they are going to extradite the Russian guy, it's not going to happen. Maybe Interpol or something. But that one safe, it be like in extreme cases.
He name the system.
Exactly. Take your L and bounce. Let's move on. And see, Rado, Yanko.
Yeah. The missing child.
Oh yes.
Updates come now. More clarity has been given. Angles come, but still, I mean, I'm still not convinced.
Which part where they make convinced? I don't understand.
Per the videos and the information we have, I'm still waiting on Ghana police because they have not stated clearly how the person can carry the child. How then catch the person.
She dressed like a nurse.
Yeah, how then.
Ye video 90 da. Be me ye video anajo koto me ye video. Ama Sam George. Sam George. When was summer Russia president akanchero. When was summer Russia president akanchero. Mahuni say wasabe ma speech be say any Ghanaian bia opposed to sage no pono and I say opposed to sage ni videos no nipa na delete no mo channel mbeje nipa no mbetim di na court. Sam George hwe ye nia bre rough. Sam George ye nia britu hwe me ye video da anajo da wo be me ye video anajo ya ma Sam George say Sam George emfa your life in Yagro Ghana ha. Emfa your life in Yagro Ghana ha. When we say Sam George, I say what Juma no, yen shede hu wa Juma no so mfaso wo. Ye wa Juma no yen shede hu so mfaso wo. Nye me metimi aka na say me Sam George wa Juma no, me shede hu so mfaso wo. Because Shasma Russia president o say there is no way I will make my job mo de share na man say emfa na mra Ghana ha no me face mra. And I was Sam George what's abet na say e ka kire say any Ghanaian bia wa post say videos ni bi no masa ye yan smase videos na mra abantin yo yan small bi so obi nkonkodi obi achi no fa na videos mra abantin yo enti ene de mo machi yen konkogum mo mra na mo machi yen kogum Sam George hwade I say like nowadays no Sam George would your life dia grow Ghana ha Sam George I say like would your life dia grow Ghana ha Munim say Jimmy na digu Ghana ha won abutrika cross cameo obi ko ma hu se nipa na scam na obi no musi obi omumfiri outside me fa abutrika nko kese ne ya Jimmy na kese obi ya ade o Ghana ha na kese mayi nu adina ma abro
Honorable Samuel na te George adada Ghana for Honorable Samuel na te George te me ka kire Sam George se Honorable suade trans na suade enye kasa bebre ɛyɛ kasa bebre sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ kasa bebre ana ɛhyɛ sɛ wo nyansa de adabi ɛyɛ kasa bebre na ɛhyɛ sɛ wo nyansa yɛwɔ ana Russia guy a ɔne Ghana mbia Ghana fo abɛde da videos nam abɔnten no Minister for Communication ebeka ase ɔne Russia ambassador Ghana true foreign affairs minister ebedi kasibom na ona extradite Russia citizen no ede aba Ghana na ona ba bedi na asema na se ona prosecute no duty no ye no against Cyber Security Act 2020 inti ona ba prosecute no e Ghana ona ba di na asema Ghana asay sabre no ona bo Sam na George enko check say a Russia citizen who can extradite him or deport him from Russia to any country na obabe for legal process him say odi wie na se na asem eyeda na wako back eyeda more than atom no yako Russia constitution mu article 61 stating a clear say Russia eyada Russia be extradite any citizen and be deport any citizen so onko man bi so na onko dem ba Hon Sam George ensua eyi nyina ama obetena one de sorry a press conference media fu hu no nkrofo hu no social media ban nkrofo hu won ana obetena bema Ghana fu nkro ahye se sa branti a we di sa enyamra asem we no ye be extradite no na ed na ba Ghana asei na oba be di asem no na ba ko ese esuampo sempo se ina nya na physical body wa asei ase ka se asem no wondi wo Russia na ye di asem no wa ha na ebotia na akofa na ba enya de a Russia constitution ema kwan ema wo extradite na wo deport ne ba nti wo di asem ni mpo wi enya de a Russia ban be accept na wo de na ba asei nti Hon Sam George eya sunyade ansa na oba yakasa na Hon Sam George ko shia Russia ambassador no Russia ambassador stating a clear say one constitution in makwan say one extradite citizen and that's one deport no nti on de ontumi ye ho hwe nti tembia yeka and this need to sit down and learn kasana doso dede na doso enye tsa na wodi bu oman enye kasa na wodi bu oman esese woye na yehu enye kasa bebre
news abasisia and say Russian guy or back Ghana a few days ago at the brofu be 5 pe. Hello, how are you doing? You are beautiful. I'm from Russia. Come with me. Or this brofu way any man to do bebre ebe the die esa video without their consent or video abro munim esa do koto social media and asa do koto ne handle for his financial gain. I deal with a breaking relationships, a breaking marriages, a breaking relationship with other people, most especially their families. As also by a class again, HIV. You can imagine the ABC or other people in them. Intina Ghana government and Sam George say omujini free Russia buying him edin ba Ghana na nkombe judge na na so mo prosecute no but Russian government ne say omo constitution nim no so omo citizen bi ye boni obi close no obo omo kroma ye samfane nko kroma obiem enkobu na ten na say enjudge no. This shows you how the Russian government is serious and I say is very smart. So omo constitution the way I see chire on the way I see chire but ye ha say no ya de abutrika omo se waskame amanfo wa fraud amanfo and yetna ha ema ya o ya bi before ya yi ni man e kire sa ha no ote aha no odi agro aha no ofa ema ye koche no ema amanfo tu ni free you amanfo tu FBI for every US e ba Ghana e koche bibi ote ema ye kire dunu ko US se ye nkobu na atan ya ye yinama ye yine fie mu e de na ama obi se ye nkobu na atan e wa bro ye Ghana ni ote Ghana Ichire and Amusa yin ma Ghana. This tells you the kind of country we are living in. Ghana no tia na unya asema chale obi am beka bi ma wa obeka wa asem ya ye be yiwa ma ya be esi enimo ye be esi enimo kra da omo ana omo yeso omo do no beka so omo nimo omo se omo yin ma nti si a Russian guy
chira wadwe mame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media agra